Hello my beautiful Cola Pops and welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you're stopping by, I'm your girl Nicola and you just entered Cola's Destiny. Please don't leave without showing the channel some love. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you'll see when I post some new content. So in today's video, I'll be doing a holiday look for you and I'm going to be jumping into the Morphe 35X0 palette, which is their holiday palette. And I don't really know what I'm going for really, but I know that I want some glitter on the eyes. So for sure, I'll be using Crushing Hard, which is this glitter here. I did swatch it on my hand and I know that I'm going to have some trouble picking it up with a brush, so we're gonna try to figure out how we're gonna do this. Not quite sure what I'm going for, but if you want to see what I come up with, please keep on watching to the end. Okay, so the first color that I'm going to be placing is Show Some Sun. And to me it looks like a brownish berry color when I swatch it on my hand. Right here. Okay, so next I think I'll go in with Meet the Rents and then maybe Plus One. So this is Meet the Rents, which is a purple here, and Plus One is here. So we're just going to be playing around with the colors to see what we come up with. I think I want to really go for a cut crease though. So first we're going in with Show Some Skin, and I'm using the Morphe M507 brush for that. So this didn't come out quite as expected. I thought it was going to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to go in with Make It Official. And I switched out to my Morphe M505 brush. So on top of that, now I'm going to use Plus One, this shade here, using the same Morphe M505 brush. So now my color selection is Love Story, and then I want to try Talk Feelings. So this is Love Story, and this is Talk Feelings. And we're just going to be layering all the colors on top of each other, just slightly above each one, and that's how you get the little blown out look here. And I'm using the same Morphe M505 brush. I've been very lazy with cleaning brushes, honestly, because I really only do makeup for YouTube because I don't go anywhere. So now I just don't want to do it. I just want to use one brush and call it a day. So now that we have blended everything out, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'll be speeding through this part. So now that I cut my crease, I'm going in with the glitter, which is Crushing Hard, which I showed you in the beginning. And I'm going to be using this small little concealer brush. I'm going to see if I can pick it up with that. If I can't, then I'll resort to my fingers. Chunky glitter is always harder to pick up with a brush, and that's what I like to just use my hands. But because the base is somewhat sticky right now, I think I'll be okay with laying it down, I think. I want to just kind of get the outer parts where the crease is cut first, and then I'm just going to go in with my fingers because it is difficult with the brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and do the rest with my finger. You see how easy that was? Look at that. Okay, now for the outer part of my eye, I want to blend that in properly. And I should have did that in the beginning, but I didn't. So we're doing it now. So let me start off with I'm gonna start off with Love Story first. And then I kind of want to seal it up with Make It Official, which is that darker color that I resorted to in the beginning. Now for this look, lining your eyes is not completely necessary, but I think it just finishes it off. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna line my eyes. Guys, this makeup look is taking me extremely long because upon pausing, I took some time to party to an app that I downloaded called Twitch. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's all I have to say. It had me hooked on there since Sunday. And if you're Canadian, you know, Specs are the boss. Yeah. He plays on there and then he passes it on to other DJs. Oh my goodness. Just, oh my goodness. That's all I gotta say. Alright, so now I'm going to finish off my bottom lash line. So we're coming to the end of the video and now it's time to finish up the rest of our face. So I'll be using, for blush, I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chick Walk of Fame in the shade Walk of Fame. You guys have seen this on the channel before. It's just this here with the little highlight in the middle. I'm telling you, if you guys don't download that app called Twitch, you're wasting time, honestly, because it's not just it's not for Canadians, because I did mention that the DJ that I got introduced to it by was a Canadian DJ. However, it's in London, like UK, Jamaica, US, you name it, they're on there. So go and try it. TWITCH, Twitch. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to finish off. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncuffed. And I'm going to put that very lightly on because I want to put gloss over this. So I don't want a really opaque look. So that's what I'm going for today. So I'm just going to let this dry, and I am thinking to use my MAC Razzle Glass over that. Why did I just stutter so much? My MAC Razzle, what is this?
Take 49.
My MAC Razzle Glass. What the heck am I keep saying the same thing and I'm looking right at it. My MAC Dazzle Glass. Okay, my beauties, so I really hope you love how this look turned out. This is a completed look. Now I know that it's not the normal holiday season where we're visiting our friends and our family, our loved ones, because there's so many restrictions on us right now. But I encourage you all to continue to do what you would have done last year for a sense of normalcy. Now I know that if you're spending it with your loved one, your significant other, or just your children, or maybe by yourself, continue to do what you would have done last year. So if that means you would have put on a pretty outfit for last year and put on a pretty face for last year, you're going to do your hair as in you did last year, continue it this year, because the fact that we're all still here means that we were granted another day to push through and to strive through this crazy, amazingly crazy world that we live in. As crazy as it is, it's an amazing world, and you all are amazing in it. So make the best of it. But I mean, if you have life, you have hope. And I tell myself that every day to stay afloat, and I'm going to get teary and all stupid on you, so I'm going to end the video here. But I just want you guys to love on each other. I want you guys to encourage each other, and I want you guys to stay blessed.